Hello everyone, and welcome to my crochet channel. Today we're making a lovely crocheted coaster, perfect for protecting your table and adding a handmade touch to your home. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like. Let's get started. Round 1. Make a magic ring and work 12 DC into it. You're doing great. Don't worry if the ring feels loose at first. Just tighten it at the end. Slide the tail gently to close the ring, then slip stitch into the top of the first DC to finish the round. Round 2, work 2 DC in each stitch around, DC ink in every stitch, for a total of 24 stitches. Keep it up. Each stitch is building a firm base for your coaster. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch of the round to keep track. Round 3, repeat DC, DC ink around 12 times. That means 1 DC, then an increase, 2 DC in the next stitch. Great job, your coaster should start to widen nicely. Count your stitches after each round to avoid mistakes. Round 4. Now do DC, DC ink, DC repeated 12 times. So DC in the first stitch, 2 DC in the next, then DC in the following. You've made it halfway through the increases. Well done. If it curls slightly, give it a gentle tug or flatten it out. Round 5 work. 3 DC, DC ink around 12 times. That means DC in the next 3 stitches, then 2 DC in the 4th stitch. Amazing progress. Keep a comfortable tension so your coaster lies flat. Round 6. Finally, we do 2 DC, DC ink, 2 DC repeated 12 times. This final increase round will give us a nice, full circle. Fantastic work. Your coaster top is almost complete. After this, you can slip stitch to join and fasten off, or add more rounds if you want a bigger coaster. Now let's add a decorative leaf. We'll start again with a magic ring using single crochet stitches. Make a magic ring and crochet 10 SC inside it. This leaf will give your coaster a fun, unique look. Great work! Pull the tail snugly to close the center, then slip stitch to the first SC to finish the round. We'll create 5 leaf points. For each point, 8 cheek, turn, 6 SC back along those chains, skip 2 stitches on the leaf base, SLSD, and repeat this sequence 5 times. Take it step by step. This is where the leaf shape really forms. If the tips feel too tight or loose, adjust the number of chains. When your leaf points are complete, slip stitch to the starting stitch and fasten off. Use a tapestry needle to weave in any loose ends on both the coaster and the leaf. If you like, lightly block your coaster and leaf so they lie flat. And there you have it, your very own crocheted coaster with a cute leaf accent. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click like and consider subscribing for more fun crochet projects. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out, or if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crocheting.